Amazon native shopping ads. We're pretty sure that you're stunned by how easy it is to transform something so simple as a product-oriented website into a money-making machine when you simply employ something like the Amazon Associates program. And we're also sure that some of the stuff offered by the Amazon affiliate platform has taken you by surprise. And we're not done yet. In this video, you're going to learn what are the Amazon native shopping ads. What are the Amazon native shopping ads? Amazon native shopping ads are ad units similar to those featured by other ad networks such as Google AdSense. These native shopping ads will generate the same kind of affiliate income that affiliates generate, and you'll be able to use it on pages where no Amazon affiliate links are featured. You can easily find these native shopping ads by logging into your Amazon Associates account. Once logged in, go to the Product Linking tab and click on Native Shopping Ads. Scroll down and use the Create Ad Unit menu to display each native shopping ad type unit available. Let's start with recommendation ads. These types of native shopping ads will be displayed on product-oriented pages to show specific product recommendations to your visitors. The recommendations shown by these ads will depend on what is being promoted on your pages and your visitors' purchasing habits. To create a recommendation ad, enter a name for your ad, then choose between two ad formats, grid or list. Now choose which categories to showcase with your ads, and then enter a fallback keyword in case no product matches are found. Remember to always click on Save and View Ad Code when you finish editing your recommendation ads. Now let's select Search Ads from the Create Ad Unit menu. These types of ads will show products to your visitors according to the type of products that they search for in the Amazon Marketplace. Here you'll have to pick an ad format to specify a category and enter a default search term. Copy the ad code generated and paste it into your site's code. Now let's check custom ads. Custom ads are similar to product page links because you are the one that selects which products to show in these ads, and they work great for product-oriented pages promoting products that don't necessarily lead to an affiliate link from anywhere on the page. These ads are easy to set up. Simply select your preferred ad format, select a category, and then select a minimum of 4 products to show in the ads. You can preview each ad to get an idea of how they'll look on desktop or mobile devices. Custom ads will also allow you to directly copy the ad code from the ad editor page, so you can just insert it later into your Amazon affiliate website.